the Michelin Guide arrived, it didn't just honor fine dining, it honored sincerity. And somewhere here in Quezon City, tucked between schools and hardware stores, it found the humblest hero of them all. It's the calm hour between lunch and dinner when the rush has passed and the kitchen breathes again. At Morning Sun Eatery, the afternoon reveals what's often hidden in the rush: patience, rhythm, and careful hands. Their menu centers on Ilocano comfort classics, kilawin, sweet pork skewers, pinakbet, and a standout laing, served turo-turo style from the counter. Popular dishes sold out earlier in the day right after the Michelin announcement. But on this quiet afternoon, the kitchen was already firing up new batches, refilling trays, stirring sauces, and keeping the line moving for the next wave of diners. Yes. Adobo. Adobo ba to?
Sir, isang dinakdakan, isang minudo, isang ampalaya, isang adobo.
At saka 6 na barbecue.
Ilan rice na ang leya?
Tatlo.
3 rice.
Saka ilang batch na kayo nandito?
Ano po? Second batch po yan. Sa dinakdakan naman po hindi po not sure. Baka po 4 na.
Hanggang 8 PM pa kaya, no?
Sir, may kasama po.
Yung babae doon, maikli yung hair.
Wait lang, bayaran mo rin kuryente.
Ay, ito. Yan, nag-cellphone.
Ito po?
Yan.
Sige po. Bali, follow up ko na lang po yung ano.
Sige po.
And then yung sabaw niyo po is sinagaw.
Sige po. Thank you. I ordered a bit of everything. Just enough to taste most of what they serve. Their famous dinakdakan, their sweet pork barbecue, and a few other Ilocano staples filled my plate. A spread that tells the story of why Morning Sun has captured both hearts and headlines. Total 585. Sir, pakita niyo lang sila ito.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Okay na naman sa babok.
All kind of formal casual style.
Sa balita.
Para hindi po yun.
Thank you, kuya. Sobrang dami ba, kuya?
Ay, kanina sir, wala pa pong 30 minutes. Ubus na po yung mga bestseller natin, lalo na yung mga barbecue na dinakdakan.
Kakagawa lang ulit.
Wait lang, Bok, kasi...
Tapos, buti ngayon patay na oras, no?
Opo.
Pero pila pa din ang haba. So later ulit. Pag paggabi, basta madami.
Depende pa rin po, basta maubos po agad. Opo.
Thank you, kuya. Doon ka sa kabila. So, this is adobo. We have ampalaya. And dinakdakan. Then menudo and the famous barbecue. So, ang best seller nila, barbecue. And dinakdakan. Good thing na dumating tayo dito na medyo patay na oras, sinadya natin kasi medyo konti yung, hindi ganun kahaba yung pila at the same time bagong luto. Kaya I think 4th batch na ng food nila for today. So ito yung mga kakainin natin. Nag-order tayo ng marami. Yan, kahit na konti lang. Dalawa lang kami nili. Ayan. Ito is an Ilocano dish, Ilocano restaurant. this humble restaurant here in Quezon City deserves all the awards and accolades it's been receiving for the past few days already. And kain tayo. Pa?
Hindi pa po kaya?
Pwede.
Pwede po, akin po yan.
Yay!
Ibibenta ko po kung gusto nyo yan.
Sige po. Oo nga, no? We will be signing this wall. Pinapirma tayo ni Kuya. Celebrity. There you go. Kuya, wala pa yung plaque nyo? Yung...
Wala pa po yung plaque eh.
Oh, wala pa.
November 19 pa daw.
November 19.
Yes po.
Congrats!
Thank you po.
Ayan. Ito yung hinihintay kong mangyari sa Pilipinas.
Alin?
Yung ganitong klaseng gulo for a restaurant, for a karinderya. Kasi, di ba, sa ibang bansa, Vietnam, Thailand,
Masasarap.
nikudahan iso din mo karinderya. Mga seafood pa nga.
Ito kasi yung France nito, masasarap naman kayo ng karinderya eh. May, ano yung stigma. Wala yung parang ganun. Ito ang sarap ng soup. Pa lang eh. Anong soup to?
Utak mo.
Pero ang sarap ba?
Sinanglaw.
Wala pa. Ilan ba?
Tama lang yung akin. I'll get. Kailangan ko ba yung service spoon? Hindi na, no? Hindi na kailangan. Ano to? Ano to?
Adobo.
Ha?
Adobo. Oo nga, ayaw tayo ng serving spoon.
Ha? Ako. Wait lang.
Panalo pa.
Lumami. Ito na lang kasi.
Thank you.
O, dapat nilagyan ko tayo. Ikaw lang kakain.
Nakapit ako makain yung gulay. Sarap to.
Ito pa rin.
Try
the barbecue.
Lambot. Tama yung lambot.
Marami sa mga tao, nag-take out. Kasi continuous space ng grind.
Kaya pa sa punta ta, parang haba na.
Nga ba ng pita pero ta? Kasi naka-take out na. Sarap ng barbecue.
Lambot pa. Ako.
Sarap to.
Oo, ito. Ano to? Sisig? Hindi.
Dinakdakan.
Okay.
Yun ang bestseller nila.
From what?
This one is
From what province?
Ilocos.
Ilan po kayo?
Ma'am, sabi lang po niya sa iyo. Salamat po. Ay, ito pala yung barbecue sauce.
Ay, look.
Ito po yung barbecue sauce. Kaya nga.
Pero masarap kasi.
Binigay ko po kanina sa... Kaya nga.
Pero fairness, masarap.
Kalimutan na.
Pero masarap siya.
Sige kuya. Isa lang. Thank you.
Pero fairness. So, ito lang siyang barbecue sauce. Masarap na siya.
Naman na. Kalimutan na yung barbecue sauce ko. Iso. Ay, ganyan yung sauce niya. Akala ko yung barbecue sauce. Kala ko SARS, ha?
Ay, man.
Hindi nga, konti bigla eh.
Correct.
Nasa yung nagpunta yung friend ko, yung roommate ko. Nagpunta yung bigla sa akin.
Grabe. Medyo patay na oras kasi. Maya-maya, baka madami. Each bite feels honest, deeply familiar, and exactly the kind of simple comfort that put this place on the map. When Michelin released its first guide to the Philippines, it didn't just spotlight the grand or the glamorous. It found value in places like this, where consistency, care, and honesty define excellence. Mababa na pila.
Ano pinakagusto mo kung kaya?
Lemon dito, barbecue. Adobo is nice as well. Minudo, okay din. Okay lang. Tama lang yung lasa. Pinoy lasa. Ito kasi unique.
Oo, yun. Gusto ko yung... Tama lang yung hangin niya. Ang barbecue yung win. Win na yung barbecue kasi may sauce pa wala.
Hindi makita ka. Sige. Say hi. Yan, para malagay na sa
The best in barbecue.
What's your most favorite? Ay, barbecue. Aside from barbecue.
Barbecue ever since. Order na kami dito dati.
Yeah. What's your name
Same
again?
lasa. Ganun pa rin.
What's your name? Sorry.
Joseph from QC.
Yun. Thank you, Joseph. The aftermath, wala nang iwan except yung ampalaya kasi hindi ko na mahubos kasi hindi kumakain ng ampalaya. So dami na kinain namin, yung bill namin ngayon 585 pesos. Morning Sun is one of the select Bib Gourmand awardees, a recognition for food that balances quality and value. Michelin inspectors look for 5 things: ingredient quality, mastery of flavor and technique, the personality of the chef, consistency, and value for money. And if you've eaten here, you know, this small kitchen quietly checks them all. In the Philippines, very important yung role na ginagampanan ng mga karinderya like Morning Sun Restaurant. Because most Pinoys, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung minimum wage or yung salary. So, yung makamura ka dun sa kinakain mo for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner, malaking bagay yan. In a city where daily wages barely stretch, places like Morning Sun aren't just restaurants. They're part of everyday life. They feed not just hunger, but dignity. A full meal here, a heaping plate of rice and a main, can be found for an everyday price that keeps the neighborhood coming back. It's the balance of flavor and comfort that lingers long after the bill. It's easy to celebrate luxury, but what Michelin found here is something harder to measure: generosity in its simplest form. Morning Sun's roots trace back to Ilocano cooking, a cuisine defined by thrift, patience, and deep respect for ingredients. There are a lot of carinderias or eateries na nakakalat sa buong Pilipinas. Hindi lang sila napapansin. Because marami ng mga fast food chain, marami mga restaurants na mas na-highlight. Michelin can't cover every city, every kitchen, every home cook, not in a single year. But for every restaurant on the list, there are hundreds more quietly deserving of the same recognition. Morning Sun stands for them. The cooks who work through the heat, the servers who keep smiling, the small kitchens that keep our country alive, one plate at a time. Gumagabi na kaya medyo mahaba na naman yung pila dito sa Morning Sun Eatery. This is the Morning Sun hanggang gabi ay nakasikat pa din. So hindi lumulubog ang araw dito sa Morning Sun because sobrang patok na patok siya ngayon sa mga tao at napakahaba ng pila right now. So pakita ko sa inyo. As the day winds down, the kitchen slows again. The sound of the wok fades, the scent of garlic lingers. Another day ends, another morning begins to wait. Morning Sun reminds us that world-class food doesn't always need grand dining rooms. Sometimes it's served in a place like this, humble, heartfelt, and honest. I'm Eli Valendez, and this is Michelin on a Budget. Because in the Philippines, world-class taste doesn't always come with a world-class price tag. We just finished eating at Green Taxi. Yung kasi yung last word na sinabi mo. At Morning Star. Morning Star. Yan, we just finished eating at Morning Sun Eatery here in Quezon City. So it's one of the 25 Michelin Gourmand and Michelin Bib Gourmand restaurants, or in the category of the most affordable restaurants, which is part of the Michelin Guide 2026 here in the Philippines. That's Tita Lee. Are you happy?
Yes! Super.
Satisfied?
Yeah, very much. Barbecue lalo na.
Sarap. Ano yung pinakagusto mo?
Favorite ko, definitely barbecue. I like, ano yung food nila?
Dinakdakan.
Dinakdakan kasi. I like cartridges. Yung, ano niya, tama lang yung anghang, na kaya ko yung anghang, pero masarap at the same time. Hindi siya basta-basta anghang. So, kaya gusto ko siya. Plus yung texture talaga po. And then, yung ampalaya hindi ko natikman eh. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa ampalaya. Pero, yung menudo is okay. Kasi medyo, ano lang sa menudo, but I like the adobo. So, top 3 ko, definitely, yung barbecue, yung tatlong yun yung favorite ko. So, yun lang. It's a good experience kasi, you don't, yung ano yung dinakdakan, I haven't tasted it before, and it's good na, kahit nandito ako sa Manila, I get to eat something like that, na, delicious siya, tsaka right lang yung anghang.
And it's an Ilocano dish.
Yun din. Kahit nakapunta na ako Ilocos before, pero first time ko nakakain. Yun lang.
Ganun kasi talaga pag mga aswang, so mahilig sa mga lamang loob. Although hindi naman halos lamang loob yung dinakdakan, diba? Pero mga ganun eh. May ganun siyang feel eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, ganyan siya. So yun talaga yung bottom line. So right now, we're going to the next restaurant, but I still need to make pababa o may kinain. So I need to have some coffee at Starbucks first before going in there. Do you know what time magsasara?
Ayun.
So I don't know, maybe naman late sila magsasara. Going to Fong Wei Wu.
9 p.m. Closes at 9
It closes at 9 p.m. So I think I need to be there at around 8. Anong oras na ba?
5:47.
Maaga pa. So I still have a few hours to may pababa, may kinain.
So, some company. Michelin selected.
Selected lang.